Mainit ang ulo kahit nga sa akin. Tell Ate Dong give you $5.
No. I'll hold it for you. Because I'm holding her $20 bill somewhere too.
Are we missing something? What? Are we missing something on your toy? Bakit kasi may mga ibang toy na niya?
Okay.
Ay, punta kayo sa Encourage. Diyos ko yung...
Want to add that one to it? With this, I'll bring the swimming pool over. All right. No water.
Please.
Okay. You don't need that anymore. No, it can jump on the trampoline. She can be watching. See? Isabit mo na lang sa piyesta. Sabit mo na lang. She can watch the piyesta.
And then the swimming pool's over here.
Oh, wow.
Just a minute. Oops.
Yeah. Ala, grandma. I think it's baliktad, hindi ba?
Nandiyan sa nina-stuck mo siya doon.
Oh, wow. No, she can watch it. Yeah.
Para nag-watch siya doon.
Oh, can you have a picture? Ni pwede siya picture. Can you picture dito ni Dong? Ni. Yeah, there you go. Picture. Ni. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, wow. Again. Cheers. Yeah, picture. Okay. Okay, one more. Oh, Ate Dong. Julene. Look. Here. $10? Why? Hindi maguti na yun si Marilat.
Where did you put my 100
100 ba sa kanya doon?
No. Did you put your 100 that you owe me basically in my account yet? No.
Ala,
Did you? You said it
where's
was
the $100? What is that for?
I babysitted her for when you were gone.
Nag-babysit ba siya?
Yeah, I did. Or did you?
Ask Jelana first. Jelana, who babysit you while mommy gone?
See.
Okay.
So when are you gonna put my 100 in my bank account?
Saan galing yung mga damit niyo? Pati si Grandma na eh.
Ang galing ata sa iyo to eh.
Ayun, nag-rumor pala tayo.
Oh, birthday ni Marilla. Binigyan. Well, dapat ang pupunta, wala pala si Harper. At least available yun.
So when
Okay naman siya.
money in my bank?
Ha?
When are you gonna put my money in my bank account?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Kay Marilla? Oo.
Balik na, mother. Bye.
Ay, sa gift card sa Target, yeah. Pang back to school niya pala. Daddy, help Jelana, please.